Here we got some baby present. It is gender neutral, it's very pedagogic, and it's I think carbon neutral also. These are instant noodle cups. Come here, baby. Yeah, young count here. Sometimes she's 1 year old. Her name is something like Gold in the local language. I see, so then we have some other. Let's see if I can get out this one here. She's seen this one before. This is a little whiskey bottle with a battery. Yeah? She's seen that one before. You're a good baby, yeah? Papa, this one is new here. An egg package with bottle cups. And I think she can't get onto the bottle caps. They could be a little dangerous if she tries to eat them. They're too big to swallow, I guess. Yeah? Let's see, we have another one here, an old one. It's good cat. This one is noodle cup with caps inside, so it rattles. Did she open it? No. Yeah, there. It keeps them busy. And here are noodles, the bottles. I cut off the bottom so I could put them together, so it's a big toy, yeah? What do you say, baby? Kaula? That's a whiskey bottle, as I said, with discarded battery inside. Yeah, good one, yeah? Papa make a break here, let's see. So these are plastic water bottles joined with a string into a circle. Yeah. Whiskey bottle, nice. So as I said, it's all do it yourself. It's practically free, I think. I haven't spent 1 cent. Mama doesn't look too happy when I bring these things. She prefers some gold, I think, or something. And then when I was in the shopping center, I saw Mama coming with 2 of these. So I asked her, where do you got these? And she pointed, and I got one for the baby. Hello, baby, this one. She's seen this one already. Okay, yeah. Maybe good toys for the baby.